far too many people these days are living with muscle tightness, post-workout soreness, or chronic tension in their neck and back, relying on basic stretching or over-the-counter pain relief without even realizing the powerful professional-grade recovery tool that's now available for home use. Upgrading to a therapeutic massage gun will transform your recovery and relaxation in ways you didn't know were possible. This is because the best massage guns go beyond simple vibration. They deliver deep tissue percussion therapy, targeted heat, and even cooling functions to soothe muscles, accelerate recovery, and melt away stress. And we have the top 5 options ready and waiting. But first of all, make sure to use our links because they're going to take you directly to the latest discounts for every product we talk about. Let's go. Number 5, the Aerlang Massage Gun with Heat. We'll get this show on the road in the versatile feature-packed category with the Aerlang Massage Gun. This model is designed as a comprehensive deep tissue solution, combining percussive therapy with a soothing heat function to help relax tight muscles and improve blood flow for pain relief in areas like the back and neck. It comes equipped with 7 different massage heads, allowing you to target everything from large muscle groups to specific trigger points with precision. Marketed as a silent operator, it aims to provide a powerful yet quiet treatment experience. Presented as an ideal birthday or gift option for men and women, this handheld massager is for the user seeking a multifunctional tool that blends heat therapy with a variety of attachment options for a customizable recovery session. Number 4. The Biob and Brad Q2 Pro Mini Massage Gun with Heat and Cold. Now, for ultimate portability, without sacrificing professional features, we have the Bob and Brad Q2 Pro. This model stands out for its incredibly compact, pocket-sized design, making it the perfect travel companion or discreet office tool. Despite its small stature, it doesn't compromise, offering both heat and cold therapy functions alongside its deep tissue percussion capabilities. Its ultra-small and quiet operation ensures you can use it anywhere without drawing attention. Being both HSA and FSA eligible adds a practical financial benefit, making it a smart, health-focused purchase. For the active individual on the go who needs effective, on-the-spot muscle recovery in a package that fits in a gym bag or purse, this mini massage gun is a powerhouse of convenience. Moving to number 3, the Renpho Mini Thermal Massage Gun with Heat. This model focuses on delivering targeted thermal therapy in a friendly, portable format. The Renpho Mini Thermal combines deep tissue percussion with a dedicated heat function, perfect for soothing sore muscles and relieving tension after a workout or a long day. Its portable size and included color silicone sleeves not only make it easy to grip, but also add a touch of personal style. It comes with a convenient carry case, enhancing its travel-ready credentials. Marketed as a thoughtful Valentine's or birthday gift, this gray massager is ideal for someone who wants the benefits of heat-enhanced percussion therapy in a user-friendly, lightweight, and giftable package that's easy to use on the neck, shoulders, and back. Now at number 2, the Renpho Active Thermocool 2 Massage Gun with Heat and Cold. Stepping up in the Renpho lineup, we have the Active Thermocool 2, a 2026 upgraded model that represents a significant advancement. This percussion massager offers a complete therapeutic suite by incorporating both heat and cold functions. This dual temperature capability allows you to use heat to relax and loosen tight muscles, or apply cold to reduce inflammation and soothe acute pain, providing professional-level treatment versatility. It's also FSA and HSA approved, adding a layer of practical utility. Designed as a premium gift for Valentine's Day or any occasion, this deep tissue massager is built for the serious user, whether an athlete or someone with chronic tension who wants the most advanced clinical-grade temperature therapy combined with powerful percussion in one handheld device. And finally, our number 1 pick, the Aerlang Massage Gun with Heat and Cold. This model claims the top spot by being the most feature-complete and versatile deep tissue system on our list. The Aerlang with Heat and Cold brings together everything a user could want: powerful percussion therapy for breaking up muscle knots, a heat function for relaxation and pain relief, and a cold function for reducing swelling and numbing acute pain. This triple-action approach makes it an incredibly versatile tool for recovery, injury management, and general wellness. It includes 7 interchangeable heads for total body targeting and is engineered for quiet operation. Positioned as an exceptional gift, this handheld massager is the definitive choice for anyone seeking a professional, all-in-one solution to tackle muscle soreness, stiffness, and pain with the flexibility of hot and cold therapy, offering unmatched therapeutic value for athletes, desk workers, and anyone in between. There you have it. The top 5 massage guns on Amazon that are changing the game in personal recovery and pain relief. From the compact travel mini to the full-featured heat and cold therapy powerhouse, one of these is your key to unlocking deeper relaxation and faster muscle recovery. Remember to check the links below for the best available deals. It's time to take your recovery into your own hands and feel the difference that targeted percussion and temperature therapy can make. Thanks for watching.